Hi guys. Hey, wanted to show you a video of a model kit that I'm getting ready to start on. We all know this, Daisy Duke and her Jeep. I've had this kit for years and finally getting around to working on it. The side. Had it for many years and finally got done with a couple other kits, and actually the Black Charger I'll be doing a video on tomorrow. Well, it doesn't show the kit layout in the bottom like the newer boxes, but anyway, yeah, so that's gonna be the start of it. Got the instruction manual, big instruction manual. Damn. Kind of hard to do it all one-handed, but man, this thing's got a lot of parts. You got your engine assembly. Definitely looks like that'll be cool to do. Wheel deal. I'm gonna do the mag wheels, like or the wagon wheels, like are actually on Daisy's truck, Jeep truck. Yeah. Chassis build. It's got the shocks and mufflers, drag link, and putting the motor and the drive shafts and wheels in. Very cool. Got your front bucket seats and seat mounts. Got your back seat. Clutch and brake pedal, firewall, shifter, dashboard, CB radio, and that all goes into your Jeep body. Emergency brake. That's pretty cool. And then you got your grill and radiator support. It's that air filter, toe ring, different your headlights, tail light setup. It's got a gas can. I don't know if I'm gonna use that because I don't think I ever seen that on the show. But yeah, and then your final build, 26. Well, actually, no, it's not your final. 27. 28. God, it's got 29 steps. Wow. I didn't realize there were so many steps in this thing. It'll definitely, you're going to have Daisy or Dixie, but Dixie was what was on the show, so that's what's going to be on mine. But yeah, definitely pretty involved manual there. Jeez. I got the body already sprayed. As I'd had this for years, so I started it, but never really got anywhere with it. But here's your body, and it's got the 5 tires. Now what I'm going to do with these is paint them gold like they were on the actual show. Her wheels were always gold. Here are your front seat halves. The CB. Looks like some kind of a spotlight cover. And your gas tanks. And some other little pieces, which are probably, they look like tow hooks. Okay, cool. Here's your glass parts, headlights, windshield, back. There's actually a couple of different ones, I guess. Different windshields. Okay. Here's your chrome tree, with mirrors and more hooks, wheels, license plates, some chrome trim, antenna, and some other pieces there. Very cool. And this has got your seat floors, spare tire cover, which I never seen on the show. Your grab bar, your handbrake, and radiator shroud, and some different bars. Actually, I think that's a steering column. This one's just got some exhaust pieces, exhaust manifold, and muffler and pipe. Here's your chassis. Pretty nice chassis setup. It looks to be pretty straight. Cool. Here's the back seat, which I already had glued together. Roll bar, which it's got spots on there for like KC lights or whatever, but I don't think I never remember seeing lights on the roll bar, so I might have to do some work with those. Here's a big roof, fabric top roof, but I'm not going to use that. But it's there. There's the dashboard, part of the dashboard, and the mount for the hood and windshield. Cool. Need to paint those yet. And then we got suspension parts, your axle housings, hoses, fan, engine parts, shocks, leaf springs. There's quite a bit to this thing for being a Jeep. There's your foot, your step ups. There's some roll bar parts, and there's the hood and the nose, the grill, which I've already got painted. Your wheel backs, steering wheel. Very cool. And got a couple other pieces here. I'm not really sure what they are. I think they go to the back. Yeah, go to the back of it. And then here's your back piece for the kind of like tailgate kind of thing. Nice. And then it's got two little red tail lights. Glad those are molded in plastic. And then you got your decals, and yeah, it's definitely gonna get the Dixie like she had on the show. Because on the box it's got Daisy, but that's not the way it was. I want to make everything the way it was, so as close as possible. But in there again, they went through several different Jeeps too, so the interior, some could be carpeted, and other ones they had like the black mat down or whatever, but different things. But anyway, I wanted to do this little unboxing and the start of started getting into it because I want to get busy on it. And yeah, definitely a neat kit, neat blast in the past, back in the good old days when Round 2 and AMT and Earl, they actually made the Dukes of Hazzard stuff and wasn't all offended by the flag and all that crazy stuff. But I really wish they'd come back out with these, because it would be neat if they had this. And I'd like to get Cooter's tow truck and get a Sheriff Roscoe car. I know they've redone the car with a couple of different kits, but the decals aren't Hazard County decals. But anyway, guys, just wanted to toss this out to you, let you check out what my next project is. So, if you're new to my channel, thanks for checking it out. I'm glad you found it, and definitely, guys, stay tuned for more fun stuff. It's starting to get cooler weather, so the RC stuff's gonna start, not being as much. But definitely getting ready for winter with model kits. So, but anyway, guys, stay tuned for more fun stuff to come. And if any of you are down in the Florida area and all that down there, definitely praying for you. Hope you guys make it through this storm okay. And yeah, just we'll see you on the next video. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.